Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here to share a very special story of one of our student, RITAMBHARA Singh. So RITAMBHARA Singh was one of our regular program student in online session, and she was working very hard. She qualified NET-LS with a very good score in the last attempt of November 2021. And then she was giving the entrances and interviews of all the other universities such as IIT, ISS, NIT, CSIR labs, and all other good places. In that series, recently she qualified the PhD entrance and interview as well for ISM Dhanbad, which is now popularly known as Indian Institute of Technology Dhanbad, which is a very prestigious institute in India for research and academics in the field of environmental science and engineering. She got a full PhD position with full fellowship at IIT Dhanbad. On this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate our student RITAMBHARA Singh. She have got the full position for PhD program at ISM Dhanbad or IIT Dhanbad now, right? So she has worked really hard with the team from last 6 months, as which have been reflected in the results. So at present, the NET-JRF batches for offline program at our both the Delhi center, online program live in the evening for working professional, M.SC doing people and other people across the globe, wherever they are sitting in India. It's a very comfortable program. You can study at your choice. And correspondence with video programs are going on. The registration for April 2023 is open. Along with that, the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution registrations are open for new batches, both online and offline program. We are also preparing people for M.SC entrances in life sciences, biotech, environmental sciences, and those who are interested in pursuing either master's or PhD from Europe or USA, they will also get the best of guidance from our teams. So those people who are interested, they can reach us. I would once again like to congratulate RITAMBHARA Singh for getting the final PhD position in Department of Environmental Science and Engineering at IIT Dhanbad or ISM Dhanbad. Thank you.